Stop her! Stop her! She just stole the dog! Fucking white thief! Don't worry about it. I know you're Puerto Rican.
White
people big. What do you got me on camera for? Your white sister just stole the dog. Get back up here and bring my dog. Honky. When the last time you heard honky?
When I took in the platform on train,
Yeah, honky just stole my dog.
On empty employees. Always remain alert and have a safe day.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I know that honky stole the dollar, but get that honky back over here. Hey, you white woman. Oh, so you want to slip it? Get over here, you honky. All your honkies ain't be on your partners.
This is 72nd Street.
I think this is the part where all the white people leave the train.
That's a little honky. I know that honky stole the dollar from me. Get over here, honky. Which one of you honkies stole my dollar? I'm one of y'all owe me a dollar. You honky little honkies. You honky little honkies. I know you honkies. Oh, you honkies ain't no good. Honky. Honky. Somebody stole my dollar. He was a honky. Hey, fat honky, what you looking at? You a tough guy with a camera? You big, fat, motherfucking fat, back-eating, motherfucking funny shoe wearing camera in my face, honky motherfucker. Fuck you, honky. 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 I don't give a fuck about a honky. Honky! Motherfucking cracker! That's right, I called you cracker! Now give me a fucking dollar right now. For your honky sister stole a dollar from me. I want it from you. That's right, take that little honky back to the King Mountains.
Gotta run, buddy.
Honky! Bye-bye, cracker! Go back to the fucking Caucasian mountain, you cracker! Honky!
Bye, crazy man. Bye, crazy man on the train.
I love you.